How to fix the issue of suggested reels not working on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So there are several ways to solve this problem, and one of the solution is that you open up your Play Store or App Store according to your Android or iOS, and after that search for Instagram and just open it up. And in case if your Instagram is not up to date, it will be shown update instead of open over here. Just simply update your Instagram to the latest version. This will be able to solve your problem. The other solution is that you uninstall the Instagram and reinstall it, and this way also you will be able to get rid of the problem. The other way is that you open up your app management settings. For that, just simply open up your settings, then scroll down and go to the option of apps. Over here, go to the option of manage apps. Now search for Instagram over here. After opening up Instagram, just open up the option of storage. Over here, you will be able to find the option of clear cache. Just simply clear up the cache memory of your Instagram. This way you would be able to get rid of the corrupted files, and your Instagram should be working quite fine after that. And these are some ways you can solve this problem. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.